Brother, no vex say I dey interfere for your matter or say I dey pop nose. But I don't say what I don't dey observe you from far. It be like say your mind no dey settle, something dey bother you. Open up to me now, we are one. You know hear wetin dey talk, say a problem shared is a problem solved. Wetin dey sup? Only you just dey for bus stop, just dey observe. Open up to me, bro. Wetin dey sup? Ah, brother, it's my mother, oh. It's my mother. Brother, wetin dey do male? May you clear me the matter. Wetin dey do male? My mother, she dey for admission for hospital. Dr. Lateef say they need to perform operation on her. Say the operation go cost us 2 million. Me, I don spend all the money wey I get finish. Na me be firstborn. Nothing dey on me again. Na make I sit down here, I confuse. Dr. Lateef say na pancreatitis na she get. Me just confused where me wan get 2 million for this kind T-pain economy. The matter tire me, oh. I even think say na better sickness your mama dey sick. Pancreatitis. Sickness wey no get surname. What if na diabetes mellitus? Or sickness wey con go get middle name? Benign prostate enlargement. Him go tell you make you go bring 200 billion? Dr. Lateef na thief na. I go lie for you.
God have mercy upon us.
No now, I go lie for you. Dr. Lateef na thief now. Ordinary pancreatitis. Na him say make you go find 2 million, make him take cure am for you. Sure? Even sickness wey get surname. Our product gbogbo niche disease crusher dey crush am woto woto. You see this bag wey I hang for neck so? Na our gbogbo niche disease crusher na im dey inside. I go lie for you. Me, I be their independent network marketer. That thing dey cure anything curable for this life. Even sickness wey their name dey complex like conjunctivitis, e dey cure am, not to talk of ordinary pancreatitis. Pancreatitis no be that disease wey dey hold person for eye.
Jesus! Jesus!
Ah, Ike. Pancreatitis na inside belle now. Na inside belle, inside stomach. Na pancreatitis dey hold person.
He shock you!
Oga, calm down. No dey argue with your helper. Na help I come help you. Okay, your mama don reach belle. Na I for the start now. Na I for the start. I go lie for you. As una no quick follow up, na the thing don reach belle, but make you make sure say that thing no reach her leg, oh. If e reach her leg, na game over be that, oh.
I am too much.
Ah, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́, God will not allow it to reach her leg. Please, how can you help me? Please, how can you help me? I need your help. That 2 million wey Dr. Lateef dey find, na him I dey here dey think since. Wetin I go sell? I don sell all my belongings finish. No headway. Please help me with this your gbogbo niche disease crusher. Does it really work? And how much is it? How much of it can cure my mama? Please help me. Abeg, forget Dr. Lateef and wetin dey tell you. I go lie for you. In fact, I no dey like all these kind easy cases like all this pancreatitis. E too easy. Gbogbo niche disease crusher, I dey like use am for chronic cases. Case wey doctor don give the person the date wey e go die. Case of when person don talk in last prayer. My name na Solo. Nobody wey no know me. Ma shock you. You see my papa Solo. Ma tell you. Ma shock you. My papa be don die before. Clinically dead. 2 days him don die. I dey journey. I tell them say make dem no carry my papa go mortuary. Make dem just cover am and leave am for where e dey. When I come from where I go 3 days later, after they don confirm my papa dead, na this gbogbo niche powder na pour for him mouth. Guy man wake up.
Photo, no be juju be that.
My guy, I no dey talk wetin I no go fit back with proof. I go lie for you. Nobody wey no know papa solo for Warri, Japa Junction. Na in keke, na in fine pass for there. If you dey ride keke today, you go shock, you dey overtake trailer. If they tell you say that man don first die before 3 days later, Gbogbonishe resurrect am, you go believe? Oh, it shock you. See, Gbogbonishe dey cure anything o. My eldest sister, firstborn of our family, he don clock 50 years, he no see husband, boyfriend sef he no get. This Gbogbonishe powder, I use am rub her face instead of Mary Kay. She enter bank manager propose to her at age 50.
She what?
Jesus, my brain one broke.
Wetin you need to do for me now, just go find like 300,000. Find 300,000, finish. Your mama case don finish. Pancreatitis na sickness, that one na better sickness. Give me 300,000 naira now. You no go even give me the money, transfer am to company account, I go give you now. My direct upline na stockist. As you transfer am to am, I go bring the product for you. How your mama go take dey use am, me go tell you how e go be. Give your mama 1 month, she go begin play football. The first thing wey you go do now, my brother, go meet Dr. Lateef, tell am make discharge your mama. Na thief. Dr. Lateef na thief, na me dey tell you so. Then you transfer the money give me. Make me go meet my upline wey be stockist. May I get you product. I go lie for you. So young man, you know, time is of the essence. Your mother's condition is a very critical one. Okay, the prognosis is not very good, so she needs to be operated upon, and I have told you it is 2 million naira. Get the money fast. Time is of the essence. Without this operation, I doubt if your mother can survive more than 3 weeks. Please, time is of the essence. Hey, Dr. Lateef, please, I have come here to discharge my mother. Give me my mother, let me go and take care of her elsewhere. I have found a very good alternative for her. Please. Young man, call Eminem ni. Please discharge my mother. Let me take her away. Please. Don't let me tear down this hospital. I will bring down the roof. I should go and bring 2 million in this stipend economy because of ordinary pancreatitis of the stomach. Please, please, let me discharge my mother. I want to discharge her now. Or else, I will charge you for kidnapping.
You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic encyclopedia precalculation of Jajatica.
Alright, there will be no need for that. I'll just give you a few documents and discharge papers which you should sign before you take her away. Okay? All the best. I wish you all the best. Agba stockist, my upline way too basky. Wetin dey happen, Baba? Wetin dey happen? Now you be the biggest stockist for this entire Gbogbonishe disease crusher business. Wetin dey sup? Hello.
Solo. I am very proud to be your upline. I just finished seminar for new prospects now, telling them about the wonders of Gbogbonishe disease crusher. And this stockist business is really paying us very well. We, the doctors without certificate, we are cashing out big time. I was looking at my team volume. I saw that you are selling a lot of products. What is the secret? It seems like you have come to collect another batch of products now.
70 years old man.
Yes, so Baba, my morale high. See, the products that I want to come and collect now is the 300,000 I sent to you now. Baba, too much money. You know, they notice a lot again. I don't send you a lot now. 300,000. Give me product of 300,000. One guy what I see for bus stop, in mama dey sick. Now I tell her me go discharge her for hospital, may try our products. So I want go supply am the goods. I bet just load down for motor. May I carry and go drop for the guy. May they give him mama the leak.
Oh, no.
Brother, don't be angry. Maybe I was holding seminar when the alert enter. I am very proud to have you as my downline. Oh, I know that very soon you are going to hit the V3 rank. Yes, I like your growth, and you will qualify for our Dubai trip by December. If you can have that $500,000 team volume, you are good to go. Yes, I am your upline and I will always support you. Make sure you keep coming for seminar. As for the products that you paid for, my boys will load your vehicle so that you go and do the supply. Correct guy.
Doctor, Mama has left me. Oh, Mama has left me. She died in the early hours of today. She has left me. I just say I should come and inform you. You know you advised me against discharging her from here. Doctor, it is very painful. Oh, we lost Mama.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Well, may her soul rest in perfect peace. But I told you, her case was a very treatable one. Just a minor surgery would have corrected the anomaly in her system. But unfortunately, you insisted on taking her home because of the money. I mean, life is of great value. You could have sold all your valuables just to save your mother. She didn't deserve to die. Why did you discharge her? What plans did you have for her?
Is it not all these MLM people that is going about selling Gbogbo Nishe disease crusher? The boy told me that their product can handle Mama's case. Olori Buruku. When Mama died this morning, he was online on WhatsApp. Oh. I told him that Mama is no longer breathing. The moment he read the message, I could not see his DP anymore. The guy blocked me immediately. I've been calling him since he's not picking my call again. That is what happened, doctor. I thought that it was cheaper. That I could patronize them and get what I wanted. Odumio.
Sorry.
Well, this is very, very unfortunate. Now, I believe you have learned your lessons and you'll be able to advise other people. We are not saying that alternative medicine does not work. Okay? We are not saying it doesn't work. But you see, when medicine is tied to network marketing, then you begin to question the veracity of the claims. Most of these network marketers are just greedy. All they care about is ranking up in the business. They don't care. Even if they know that their product cannot handle the case, they will accept you and collect your money and dump their products on you. The more products you buy, the more money they make and the higher in rank they climb. It is just unfortunate. Take heart. You have learned your lessons. Make sure you share this video with other people, that they should investigate the claims of network marketers, especially concerning their health, before believing.